Alright, this should be a quick little blurb kind of thing. So while I was at this conference, they had a session on security with like quantum computing. And there's kind of an arms race between China and the United States right now, especially with like IBM and the government throwing like 5 billion a year at quantum computing. So it's gotten to the point though where they've hired enough like mathematicians and physicists and all these other people to create a few quantum hardened algorithms for like hashing data. So as it turns out, like these binary ones we have right now that are like the sum of two primes, a quantum computer can, you know, crack those in like a matter of minutes. But with a um there's a few like RSA and AES that aren't really affected so much, but a lot of these algorithms that you're like SHA or SSH and SHA, I think, are prone to being cracked by a quantum computer. So what's happening right now is like, let's say China is mining all your data right now from websites that they've exploited, and they're storing that data until the point when their computer can crack it. So that may lead you to the question, at what point are vendors liable for this outdated technology at this point, basically, for not being quantum hardened? And the answer is actually, well, I can't really speculate, uh, within a few months, because there's already an executive order that all governments must use quantum hardening algorithms. But that'll eventually trickle down to like businesses like banks and healthcare and HIPAA and all that. Different government programs, different private sector stuff. And then it'll eventually hit just like companies where if you're not quantum hardened, you're not in business, and that's probably coming in like the coming year or two, where everybody's gonna try to go quantum harden. So that was kind of your quick blurb for the day. I didn't really get too technical about it, but yeah, if you're not already quantum hardened with your encryption, not encryption, what the fuck do they call that? Anyways, if you're not using a quantum hardened algorithm, you know, start working on it. Thanks.